What is up, YouTube? Niner Faithful 52 here, back with another sneaker unboxing review. Another package from Nike. Hit on these on the Nike app, as you guys can see by the title. These are the, what are they calling these? The light bone, the linens, I believe they're called. The linen Jordan 1 mids. Let's see. I missed out on a couple drops. If you guys know about those Jordan 1 lows, the SCs, the light smoke grays, I missed on those. I missed on the Jordan 1 mids, the chocolate is what they're calling them. And then those mocha lows that I missed out on as well. But hopefully I can get those. Resell, obviously, but you know, it is what it is. But I did hit on these. And these are the Air Jordan 1 Mid College Gray Light Bone White is the colorway. Size 10, retail price $120. It used to be $115. So they went up $5. But typical Jordan 1 box. Typical Jordan paper, 23 paper. And here they are. The Jordan 1 Mid. They're calling them the linen mids. So it's called, or the light bone. I think that's actually accurate, because this is like a light gray right here. So typical Jordan mid leather. The look, as you can tell, you got that stiff leather on the toe box as well. You got that white toe box. You got the light bone college gray, whatever you want to call it, here along the toe box. Along here, the lace tips. These are actually just gray laces. Then you got the college gray, Nike swoosh up all around here in the leather. You got the white Air Jordan Wings logo there. Looks nice. And then you got the like a light gray here. I think this is the light bone actually. Yeah, I think this is the light bone. And then this is the college gray around here on the ankle. And then here's the lateral side, same thing. You got the white midsole, gray laces. You got the white tongue with the like a light bone patch here with the white Jumpman Air here. Let's see the inside. These probably should have came with white laces, to be honest, but it is what it is, I guess. Here's the production tagging. There it is. And then you got the white footbed with, looks like a light bone, college gray, whatever, Jumpman in the inside. But yeah, these I think these will look better with white laces, actually. But then again, that's just me. These do remind me of those Seafoam highs. I think they're for women that released not too long ago. So this is like a mid alternative, I guess, for that. And then you got the light bone outsole. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. I mean it's a nice colorway. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty simple, you know. You could probably wear it with anything, really. It's a white and gray mid. So, definitely a nice shoe. And yeah, I mean, let's see the other shoe. I don't think they have any flaws so far. Let's see. Nope. All right, a couple glue stains here, but that's nothing, you know, scratching it off. Can't fix. And then here's the lateral side. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is retail price $120. I got them on the Nike app when they dropped. Got that you got it screen, or it says congrats, you know what I mean? But yeah, I mean, I just showed you guys the other W I had was the Noble Green, the toes, the lows. Then I got these, but hopefully I can get the those light smoke gray Jordan 1 lows, the Mocha lows, and maybe those chocolate mitts. I'm still debating on whether or not I should get those, but I'm pretty sure I should get the other two. And also, those bread toes are going to come out December 8th. Those are another must cop for me. So stay tuned for that video whenever it comes. But this has been my little unboxing review on these Jordan 1 mid. They're calling them the linen, but here's the colorway. College grade light bone white. Retail price $120. And that's been my little unboxing review on these Jordans. Very simple, very clean colorway. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.